In this video, I will be showing you how to install the latest Laravel 13. Laravel 13 is the latest version of Laravel that just came out just this week. So I'll be showing you how to go about installing it. The first thing you need to install before installing Laravel 13 is for you to get PHP version 8.3 and above. If you don't have PHP version 8.3 and above, Laravel 13 will not be installed on your machine. And another thing is that you need to install or get Composer, and also you'll get your Node.js. So let me check my computer and show you how this is being done. So I go to my Visual Studio Code. So now I want to check the version of PHP that is currently running on my machine. So I will say PHP-V. This will tell me the version of PHP. So you can see currently I am running version 8.5.4. Like I said earlier before now, you need a PHP version of 8.3 and above for you to install the latest Laravel 13. So let me check if I also have a Composer installed on my machine. To do that, you say Composer-V. So you can see this is my Composer. So you can see that I have the Composer installed on my very machine. So you can see that the Composer is installed on my machine. So the Composer version I'm using is the latest one, actually 2.9.5. so let me check for Node to see if my machine has Node installed on Node installed. So I will say Node-V. Correct. So I am also using the latest Node version 24.12. This is what you need for you to be able to install the latest version of Laravel, which is Laravel 13. So let me install Laravel 13. I already have a folder here called Laravel 13. Nothing is here yet, you can see. So let me clear my screen so that you can see how I will install Laravel 13. So I will use the word Composer creates hyphen project. Composer creates hyphen project, then Laravel / Laravel again, and the name of the project. So I'll just call this my app. You can call it anything you want to call it. I'll call this my app. Now this Composer, I want to create a Laravel project via the Composer, and this Laravel / Laravel is telling us that this will download the latest Laravel version, which is 13. So, and this my app indicates the name of my project. My app, can call it any name you want to call it. So I'm going to press enter. So you can see it's already downloading and installing the latest Laravel 13 package. So let's exercise patience as this will finally get installed. Beautiful. So you can see that I have installed the latest version of Laravel, which is Laravel 13, and you can see everything has been installed automatically. So let me cd into this my app now so that we can see it on the browser. So I'll come here and say cd my app. So for you to start a Laravel server, you type php artisan, then self, and press enter. Fantastic. So my server is already started. So I will go to my browser now, open a new tab, and I'll put localhost, then put a colon, port 8000. Laravel by default runs on port 8000. Fantastic. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Laravel 13. So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more of these Laravel programming tips. Thank you very much.